This video from the Famous Personalities series is about Sergei Korolev. Sergei Korolev was born on January 12, 1907, in Zhytomyr, which is now part of Ukraine. As a child, he showed a strong interest in science and technology, especially in aviation. He studied engineering at the Kyiv Polytechnic Institute, focusing on aircraft design. His early experiences would shape his future as a leading figure in space exploration. After completing his studies, Korolev began working in the field of aviation during the 1920s. He joined a group of young engineers who were passionate about building aircraft. His talent was recognized, and he quickly became involved in designing and testing new aircraft. This work laid the foundation for his later achievements in rocketry and space exploration. In the 1930s, Korolev became fascinated with rocketry and its potential for space travel. He began to study the work of early rocket pioneers, such as Konstantin Tsiolkovsky. Korolev experimented with small rockets and conducted experiments to improve their designs. His passion for rocketry led him to pursue it as a career, despite the challenges he faced. During World War II, Korolev was arrested and imprisoned by the Soviet government on false charges. He spent several years in a labor camp, where he continued to think about rocketry and space. His imprisonment was a difficult period, but he remained determined to achieve his goals. After his release, Korolev returned to work in rocketry, more focused than ever. After the war, Korolev became the chief designer of the Soviet space program. He was instrumental in developing the first successful satellites, including Sputnik 1, launched in 1957. Korolev's leadership and vision helped the Soviet Union achieve significant milestones in space exploration. His work inspired many and marked the beginning of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. One of Korolev's most famous achievements was sending the first human into space. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin launched aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft. This historic flight lasted about 108 minutes and made Gagarin an international hero. Korolev's role in this mission solidified his place as a key figure in space exploration history. Korolev was known for his innovative approach to rocket design and space technology. He developed new launch vehicles and spacecraft that pushed the boundaries of what was possible. His work included the creation of the R-7 rocket, which became the basis for many future space missions. Korolev's inventions greatly advanced the field of astronautics and paved the way for future exploration. Sergei Korolev's contributions to space exploration had a lasting impact on science and technology. He is often referred to as the father of the Soviet space program for his pioneering work. His achievements inspired generations of scientists and engineers around the world. Korolev's legacy continues to influence space exploration today. Throughout his life, Korolev received numerous awards and honors for his work in aerospace engineering. He was recognized both nationally and internationally for his contributions to space exploration. After his death in 1966, many tributes were made to honor his memory and achievements. Today, he is celebrated as one of the most important figures in the history of space travel.